What is good, thrift fam? We are back with a new video. This one is definitely going to be different. You're going to actually see me from start to finish restore a snapback that I've always wanted. This package, I just got it today. Before we get into it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And I also do legit checks still, so if anybody was wondering, because I get questions all the time, $5 through PayPal. DM me through my Instagram at @FreshFromFlea, and we'll get it started. I literally just legit checked a Chrome Hearts dagger pendant, and it gave a lot of clarity to the person. Shout out if you're watching. And I had to wear the O.J. Simpson 1995 trial tee because January 23rd, 1995 is when the trial started. Insane. So there we go. I got my flipper. Let's open it up. What the? Oh. I knew what I was getting, that it was gonna be, I guess I'm happy that it's not too flat, but usually when I ship hats, I try to ship them with boxes, so let's see if you guys see it already, what it is. And it is a Sports Specialties, very 90s, Los Angeles Lakers motion script. I've been wanting this one for a while. As you can see, the shape is so dwindling from the inside here. It definitely needs some love. I'm willing to give that love. So I'm gonna start off with this container. I'm actually gonna throw it in here. Let's get it started. So there we go. So you saw from the difference from start to finish, it is a full 180-degree switch from what it was to what it became. I put a little bit more spray starch on it so that it would stiffen up a little bit more. I'm gonna leave it overnight. Now I'm gonna try to make more of these. Next video, I'm actually going to show you guys how to replace the snapback itself. That is something that I have done in the past, as well as I still do. If you guys want to support the channel, like, comment, subscribe. With that, I'm just gonna say what I always say. Hit that sub button because more videos are coming. This was Mick from Fresh from the Flea.